Pakistan continues to fight this war on terrorism, it is becoming increasingly evident that unless we do not eradicate poverty, economically empower the masses, and develop the society, we will lose this battle. Today, more than one-third of the population lives below the poverty line, with growing disparities among those who even live above it. As envisioned in the Millennium Development Goals in terms of poverty reduction and partnership for development, through access to market and new technology, financial inclusion plays a critical role of an enabler and facilitator in creating an environment of economic and social prosperity. In this challenging hour, Telenor Pakistan is committed towards turning the future of the nation around. EasyPaisa, Telenor Pakistan's revolutionary branchless banking in collaboration with Tamir Bank, is working with the goal of stimulating economic activities in the society to stabilize its very foundations. In a rapidly growing population of 170 million, most people have limited or no access to banks or post offices and use informal and undocumented processes of transferring money, which is not only cumbersome but also unreliable and time-consuming. At the same time, mobile phone subscriptions within the country have rapidly grown to a sum of 90 million. Catering to the needs of the people, EasyPaisa set out to empower and ease the lives of millions of Pakistanis by providing secure and convenient means of money transfer. Available nationwide, with the only requirement of a national identification card, people can now send, receive money no matter where they are, through their mobile phones or the extensive network of EasyPaisa shops in a reliable, hassle-free and efficient manner. Since its launch, EasyPaisa money transfer facilities has had phenomenal growth, becoming the subject of international recognition. As the brand grows, it has not only allowed consumers to get more out of life, but has helped the retail sector evolve, contributing positively towards the economy.
ये तो बहुत कमाल की सर्विस है भाई। इजी पैसे के जरिए कोई भी शख्स मुल्क के किसी भी हिस्से में बाआसानी अपनी रकम ट्रांसफर कर सकता है।
पहले मैं 3-4 महीने के बाद जाता था, तब मैं पैसे देता था। अब मेरे लिए थोड़ी आसानी हो गई है कि जब उनको ज़रूरत पड़ती है वो मुझे फ़ोन करते हैं तो मैं उसको इजी पैसे उस टाइम भेज देता हूँ जी।
टेंशन ही नहीं होती किसी बात की, पैसे एकदम घर पहुँच जाते हैं, 2-3 मिनट में पहुँच जाते हैं। इससे बड़ी सहूलत क्या है? पहले डाकखाने में भेजते थे, वो 3-4 दिन लग जाते थे। इसमें यह है 2 मिनट में पैसा घर पहुंच जाते हैं, टेंशन नहीं होती। हमारे लिए तो बहुत बेहतर है। EasyPaisa बदले ज़िंदगी आसानी से। हो गए भाई मेरे।
For EasyPaisa, this is just the first step, as it continues to innovate and provide solutions, taking the people of Pakistan towards a socially and economically prosperous future.